Triangle is given. Okay. 19th question. Triangle A is 2 and 5 and B is -1 and 2 and C is given 5 and 8. Okay. Now P and Q are in the ratio 1:2 and 1:2 and asking you to find out the coordinates P and Q. See 19th question, A is 2, 5, B -1, 2, C 5, 8 are the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle ABC. Points P and Q lie on AB and AC such that AP ratio BP is equal to AQ ratio CQ is equal to 1:2. Calculate the coordinates of P and Q. Show that PQ is equal to 1/3 of BC. Okay. Now, take A, B. This is P1 and here 2. The point 2, 5 and -1, 2. Understood? Now, you will calculate x and y. So, x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay. Now, multiply 1 into -1 plus 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 2. Same way, here you will get 1 into 2 plus 2 into 5 upon 1 plus 2. Okay. So, you will get -1 plus 4 upon 3 and here you will get 2 plus 10 upon 3. That is 3 upon 3 is equal to 1. Here 12 upon 3 is equal to 4. So P is 1 and 4. Therefore P is 1 and 4. Okay. The coordinates of the point P. Next we have to find coordinates of the Q. We have to find out the coordinates of Q. Okay. You will write Q and here you will write C 5 and 8. Find out. Now P you got it. That is 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Okay. Now to find Q. 1 into x is equal to 1 into 5 plus 2 into 2 upon 1 plus 2. Y is equal to 1 into 8 plus 2 into 5 upon 1 plus 2. So 5 plus 4 upon 3, 9 upon 3, that is equal to 3. And here you will get y is equal to 8 plus 10 upon 3, that is 18 upon 3 is equal to 6. So what is Q? 3 and 6. Understood? What is Q? 3 and 6. Now we have to find out the distance. Clear? So Q is 3 and 6. Prove that PQ is 1/3 of BC. So let us take PQ. That is distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. 1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 6 whole square. So you will get minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square under root. That is 4 plus 4, you will get 2 under root 2 units. Okay. Understood? Is equal to 8 under root 8, that is 2 under root 2. Now BC under root 5 plus 1 whole square plus 8 minus 2 whole square 6 square plus 6 square. Okay. Then you will write that is equal to 36 plus 36 under root. So under root 72 you will write 9 into 8. So you will get under root 9 into under root 8. That is 3 into what is under root 8? PQ. Okay, so BC is equal to 3 into PQ. Now you write PQ is equal to 1 upon 3 BC. Hence prove. Okay. Understood now? Question number 23. It is given the line joining P minus 4, 5 and Q, 3, 2 intersect y-axis. Okay. This is P minus 4 and 5 and Q 3 and 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And here minus 4 and 5. This is P. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now see, it is intersecting at a point. So this is R and 0 and 1. Now we have to find out the coordinates of R. First we have to calculate the ratio M1 ratio M2 to find ratio. Right? X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 upon M1 plus M2, and Y is equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now take R, 0 and Y. So which is 0? X. Take this one. 0 is equal to M1 into 3 plus M2 into minus 4 upon M1 plus M2. Then you will write 3M1 minus 4M2 is equal to 0. Then 4M2 is equal to 3M1. Now M1 upon M2. Okay, M1 upon M2 is equal to 4 upon 3. Clear? M1 ratio M2 is 4:3. 4:3. You got it. Now they ask you to find Y value. So put here 4 and here 3. Now see, Y is equal to, take it. Okay. It's equal to 4 into 2 plus 3 into 5 upon 4 plus 3. So 8 plus 15 upon 7, 23 upon 7. Okay, therefore R is 0 and 23 upon 7. Okay, got it? Now they ask you to find the area of the quadrilateral. So draw perpendicular. Okay, this is 5 units. Because Y value, no, that we have to take. Okay, 5 units and this is 2 units. And height, count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is this? 7 units. Okay. Now, area of a quadrilateral is, okay, trapezium. What is the figure you are getting? Trapezium is half into sum of the parallel sides into height. So you will get half into 5 plus 2. These two are parallel. Okay. Into 7. So half into 7 into 7. That is 49 upon 2. 24.5 square units. What is that? 24.5 square units. Okay. Important question. Understood? This is very important question. Now, third part, they ask you to find out the area. Now, just to see this figure, what is this figure? Quadrilateral trapezium you will get. And you know these two sides are parallel and therefore parallel sides, and this will be acting as a height. So, length of the parallel side 5 units and here 2 units. Half into sum of the parallel sides into height. Half into sum of the parallel sides into height. Half into 7 into 7 and you got 49 upon 2. That is 24.5 square units. That's all. Exercise 13b. Find the midpoint of line segment minus 6 and 7 and 3 and 5. Okay, find the midpoint of line segment minus 6, 7 and 3 and 5. Minus 6, 7, mark this one as A and this one I am taking B. 3 and 5. And these two are equal. This is the point P, X and let the midpoint of AB be P. Understood? X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So what is x? Minus 6 x1 plus 3 upon 2. Here y is equal to 7 plus 5 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2, that is x, and y is 12 upon 2. So you cut, you will get 6. So P is minus 3 upon 2 and 6. The coordinates of P is minus 3 upon 2 and 6. Clear? So find the midpoint of the line segment. Minus 6, 7. I am taking this as A, 3, 5 as B. So AB is a line, P is a midpoint of AB. And you know A and you know B. So let the midpoint P, X and Y. Okay. Now take the formula x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Put the values of x1 and x2. Minus 6 plus 3 upon 2. So it's minus 3 upon 2, that is x. And y is equal to 7 plus 5 upon 2. So 12 upon 2, cancel it, you will get 6. P minus 3 upon 2 and 6. This is the answer. Okay. Question number 2. Points A and B have the coordinates 3, 5 and xy respectively. The midpoint of AB is 2, 3. Find the values of x and y. So, this is a line A, 3 and 5. This is A. And B, not given, x and y. And the midpoint P is given 2, 3. 2 and 3. We have to find coordinates of B. Okay, find coordinates of B. So write x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So 3 plus x upon 2 and 5 plus y upon 2. And what is this x value? This is x and this is y. No, x is equal to 2 you will write, and in the place of y you have to write 3. Now cross multiple, 2 2s are 4. Minus 3 is equal to x is equal to 1. 6 minus 5 is equal to y, that is equal to y is equal to 1. Now write point B is 1 and 1. I ask you to find out the value of x and y. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Okay. So a given 3 5, b given x 5 and midpoint of AB is 2 3. And you know midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay. So in the place of x you have to write 2 and in the place of y you have to write 3. And do the cross multiple. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So answer, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Okay. ABC is a triangle. Given ABC is a triangle, vertex A. Given ABC is a triangle, vertex A 5 3, B minus 1 1, C 7 and minus 3. And then L and M are the midpoints of AB and AC. Okay, midpoint of AB and AC. So first we can take to find L. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. To find L, you can give this coordinates x and y. Now write 5 minus 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 5, this is x1, x2. So 5 minus 1 upon 2, then 3 plus 1 upon 2. You will get 4 upon 2, cancel 2, and here also 4 upon 2, cancel 2. So what is L? 2 and 2. Okay, what is L? 2 and 2. Next we have to find out M. To find M, mark it as A and B. A is equal to 5 plus 7 upon 2 and B is equal to 3 minus 3 upon 2. B is equal to 3 minus 3 upon 2. So 12 upon 2, cancel, you will get 6. And 0. B is equal to 0. So what is M? 6 and 0. What is M? 6 and 0. Next we have to find out what they have asked you to prove that LM is equal to LM is equal to half of BC. Okay, so distance formula LM under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 6 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. 4 square minus 2 whole square. 16 plus 4 under root 20. 4 into under root 4 into 5, so 2 under root 5 you will get. Next, BC is equal to under root minus 7 plus 1 whole square plus 7 plus 1 whole square minus 3 plus 1 whole square. 7 plus 1 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square. So 8 square plus minus 4 whole square. So you will get 64 plus 16. Okay, 70, 80. Now write 4 into 4 into 5 under root. 24s are 80. So 4 under root 5. You will write 2 into 2 under root 5. What is this 2 under root 5? 2 into ln. Now we have to write therefore ln is equal to half of BC. ln is equal to half of BC. Okay. Now see. So given triangle ABC. A 5 3, B minus 1 1, C 7 minus 3. Okay. Asking you to find out the coordinates of midpoint AB and AC. That is AB midpoint is L and AC midpoint is M. So let us take L XY and M AB. You know midpoint formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Apply that formula and get the coordinates of L and M. 2, 2, L and M, 6, 0. Next they said, prove that LM is equal to half of BC. So distance formula, apply and get LM. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. Then 6 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. Written inside the under root. 4 square you got and minus 2 square. So 20 under root 20 you will get, that is 2 under root 5. Then BC you have to find out. BC you got under root 80. It can be written 4 under root 5. This 4 under root 5 can I write 2 into 2 under root 5. So this 2 under root 5, that is LM. So write 2 into LM. Then LM is equal to half BC. LM is equal to half BC. Hence proved. What you will write? Hence proved.